Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. If you want to see how your posts are doing on Instagram, in this video I will show you how to turn on insights so that you can track your reach, views and engagement easily. So to do that, open your Instagram apps in your device. Then go to the profile by tapping this profile icon. You can see the three line from the top right corner. Tap on this. After that, just scroll and tap on this, the account type, just tap on that. So I'm just tapping on this, then I will found, see, this is, and make sure your account is switched into the business account. You can see there is a professional dashboard. After switching into business or professional account, you can see this option, and this is your insight. So this is how just switching your account into professional or business, you can see the insights on your Instagram. And from now you can check how your post is performing or understanding your audience better. So hope this video helped you. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more quick tutorials. I will see you in the next video.